fam, welcome back. We are making some delicious egg stew today. I have some cooking oil which I've added to my pan. I'm adding some onions and I'm just going to stir fry for some minutes and make sure that it caramelizes before I go on to add my other ingredients. So it depends on your level of tolerance for your onions. I don't like to take it too far before I add my other ingredients. I don't like when it's completely soggy, so I'll add my mixed peppers now that I like coarsely ground. I like when it's coarsely ground like so, and when it's not finely ground, especially when I'm making it for egg stew. I'll be adding some tomato puree as well to make it like more yummier and to make it thicker, because like it's egg stew, so I like to add everything I can add to it. I just like the fact that it's going to be red and the fact that the tomato paste is going to make it like thicker. I'm adding some ginger garlic paste as well, and I'll stir fry this for a bit and make sure that it cooks and it dehydrates so that the sourness of the tomato paste does not come through. I'll be adding some seasoning now, my salt, my thyme, and my other seasoning. I added some cumin as well, some seasoning powder, some curry. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice and anything that you just like on your pellet, and I'll be stirring all this together to make sure that it's well cooked as well. I'll leave it to simmer. Apologies, I lost the clip where I added the beaten eggs, but it was just like beaten eggs I added. Basically, I added a little bit of seasoning to my beaten eggs before I added it to this, and I just make sure that I stir fry it very well so that it's well cooked. So I'll be adding some sardines in tomato paste as well. I prefer this one because, well, it's egg stew. Normally I would have used the one in sunflower oil. I added like 2 cans of this to my egg mix, to my egg stew, and I just stirred it very well again to allow it fry properly and to cook very well. Well, I was already satisfied at this point, but I wanted it to like dehydrate further because I like when my food is well cooked. I don't like to feel that maybe it's kind of like still raw somewhere. It's really when it comes to eggs. I like when my eggs are very cooked. I added some spring onions as well, and this brought everything to one piece, and I allowed it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes before I took it off from my stove. At this point, my egg stew was absolutely ready, and guys, join me. I don't like my egg stew with yam. Have you ever tried egg stew with rice? This was steamed basmati rice that I was eating it with, and goodness, guys, it was yummy. You can have egg stew with anything, with yam, with rice, with spaghetti. People usually eat it with yam, but for me, I like it with my rice, I like it with my pasta, macaroni, potato, anything you want to eat it with, guys, is unlimited. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly share and subscribe. Bye. See you in other videos.